Cosentry has selected best-of-breed platforms for our cloud infrastructure to supply both of our compliant cloud platform, our hybrid cloud platform, and then our public cloud platform. And those platforms really are based on EMC, VMware, and Cisco platforms underneath the Vblock. So our clients love the fact that it's best, biggest, strongest partners out there that are developing tool sets that they can trust. The integration of VCE and VMware, Cisco, and EMC and the platforms that are being provided to us enable us to put a data center in a can, if you will. So the idea is that you'd be able to have all the components required from storage, compute, and network all available to you in a platform that you know is going to work together. So from a speed of deployment, from a strategy perspective, it gives us a comfort level that we've selected the right kind of products, and that gives our clients the comfort level that the virtual machines that they're buying are going to stay up. In today's world, that uptime from a perspective of a virtual machine is so critical that it's almost 100% SLA requirement. So from our perspective, the supportability, the cost per virtual machine, scalability, and then the ongoing maintenance costs of not having to have experts on every little thing in terms of firmware upgrades and all of the various patching, making sure that the platform is a supportable and strong, best-in-class platform was really important to us. Our end users care about the total cost of operations of all the platforms that they choose. So by selecting a platform like this that lower your support costs and you have a good service provider network with it, you can actually reduce the internal support costs that a client might have by outsourcing to a service provider and manage those costs as an operating expense rather than a capital expense plus all the operating expenses you might have. The VMware tools, including vCloud Director and many of the other tools like vShield and vCenter Operations Manager and SRM and all the other variety of tools that are built into the platforms and that work very well in an integrated platform like the Vblock are very important to us to give us scale, manageability, and the ability to automate orchestration layers. So we created a self-service portal, for example, that interfaces with vShield, with all the other tools that are in the platform that we've installed to allow our clients to provision their own machines, to take snapshots of their own machines, to back up their own machines, to install the Avamar client in those machines and back them up to a remote site. The scale that the Vblock brings to us is also very critical to enable Cosentry to grow in the kind of scale that we want to grow. So we want to have the ability to support tens of thousands of virtual machines, and that's the size of a Vblock that we bought. Our Avamar platform supports hundreds and hundreds of petabytes of backup. So we can do the kinds of scale that our clients want us to have.